Little Zaid lived in a small street where he saw an old man every day, struggling to fill a large clay water pot. It was a hot summer, and the old man had difficulty lifting the heavy bucket. Zaid watched him for many days and thought, I wish I could help him. One day, Zaid gathered courage and walked up to the old man. He politely asked, Uncle, can I help you? The old man smiled and said, Son, this task might be a little hard for you, but if you want, you can help me fill the bucket. Zaid felt very happy. He filled a small bucket and handed it to the old man. A big smile appeared on the old man's face. From that day on, Zaid helped him every day. A few days later, the old man patted Zaid's shoulder and said, Son, you don't have to be big to do good things. You just need a kind heart.